Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm gonna show you how to add clickable link on Instagram bio. First thing first, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any delay, let us get started. Now in order to add clickable link on Instagram bio, so first of all you have to have a link. So in order to have a link, so you can always rely on YouTube for the link. Now on the link, what you can add is you can either add your favorite music or your favorite videos or whatever the link contains, you can add that. So in order to get a link, so tap on YouTube. Now from YouTube, right on top there you can see a search bar, so enter the favorite music name or enter the favorite video's name. So here as the video loads, so the next process is you have to copy the link. Now in order to copy the link, what you have to do is tap on share, and as you tap on share, you have right on top, right in the first option, there you can see copy link. Just tap on it, and as you can see the link has been copied. Now what you have to do is go back to the home page. Now tap on Instagram application. On the home page, what you have to do is tap on your profile ID, which is on the lower right hand side corner. So from here you have to tap on edit profile, which is right on top. So down there as you can see website, so tap on it. Now in order to add the link, what you have to do is simply paste the link that you have copied, and here as you can see the link has been copied. Now in order to share it with your friends or in order to share it on your Instagram bio, all you have to do is tap on the right button, which is on the upper right hand side corner, and here as you can see that the link has been copied. Now in order to check whether it is clickable link or not, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and here you can see the link has been copied. And this is how you can add clickable link on Instagram application or Instagram bio. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.